Dinner plans.
Have you decided where to eat tonight?
Not yet. I was thinking we could eat out since it's Friday.
Good idea. Any preferences on cuisine?
How about that new Italian place that opened downtown?
Sounds good to me. Did you check their menu?
Yeah. They have a wide selection of pasta and pizza.
Perfect. Let's eat out there then. What time should we go?
How about around 7 p.m.? That way we can beat the dinner rush.
Sounds like a plan. I'll make a reservation to be safe.
Good idea. It's always busy on Fridays.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
Let's go for indoor this time. It might get chilly later.
All right, indoor it is. I'm looking forward to trying their lasagna.
Me too. It'll be nice to eat out and relax after a long week.
Absolutely. It's a great way to unwind.
Catching up.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. Just busy with life, you know? How about you?
Yeah, pretty much the same. Keeping busy with work and family. It's nice to run into you.
Absolutely, it's been too long. We should catch up properly sometime. Are you still at the same job?
Yes, still there. It's going well. Lots of new projects. And you? Still enjoying your role?
Definitely. It's challenging but rewarding. Plus, I started a little side project, so that's been exciting.
That sounds interesting. What's the project about?
It's a small online business. I'll have to tell you more about it over coffee.
For sure, let's plan for that. Send me a message and we'll set a date.
Will do. Great seeing you.
Likewise, take care.
Charity Gala chat.
Are you excited for the charity gala next week?
I am, but I'm a bit nervous about the dress code. It's been ages since I had to dress up for anything.
I know what you mean. It feels like it's been forever since. We had an occasion to wear something really fancy.
Exactly. I even had to dust off my suit and check if it still fits.
Well, that's better than me. I had to go out and find a new dress because nothing in my closet seemed right.
It's a great excuse to get all dolled up. Though, do you think it's going to be very formal?
From what I heard, it's black tie optional. So pretty formal, but there's a bit of flexibility.
That's a relief. I can dress up without worrying about going over the top.
It'll be fun to see everyone looking their best. It's not often we get to step out in style like this.
True. I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a nice change of pace.
Morning reflections.
You know, I've been thinking about how much I dislike crowded places. I went to a concert last night, and it was overwhelming.
I get that. I'm not a fan of crowded places either. They can be really stressful.
Exactly. It's not just the noise, but also the feeling of being squeezed in with so many people. It's exhausting.
That's one reason I avoid big events. I prefer smaller gatherings where it's easier to move around and talk to people.
Same here. I enjoy more intimate settings. Large crowds just aren't my thing.
Another thing I dislike is waiting in long lines. It feels like such a waste of time.
Oh, I completely agree. Whether it's at the grocery store or at an amusement park, long lines are the worst.
And don't get me started on bad customer service. It really ruins the experience for me.
Absolutely. Good service can make a huge difference, but bad service is such a turnoff.
Definitely. It's important to feel valued as a customer.
Umbrella and bus stop.
Hey, are you okay out there? Yeah, I'm fine. Just caught in this sudden downpour without an umbrella. That's rough. Here, take mine. We can share it. Oh, I couldn't possibly. Please, I insist. It's better than both of us getting soaked. Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. No problem at all. It's the least I can do. You're really kind to do this. It's nothing. Just trying to help out a fellow human in need. Well, I really appreciate it. It's nice to know there are still good people out there. Definitely. We're all trying to make it through the storm together. Yeah, you are right. Thanks again for sharing your umbrella with me. Anytime. So, where are you headed to? I was just on my way to the bus stop. I need to catch the bus home. Oh, I see. I'm heading in the opposite direction, but I can walk with you until we reach the bus stop. That would be great. Thank you. So, do you live far from here? Not too far. Just a few stops on the bus. What about you? I live a bit further out, but I don't mind the walk. Well, here we are, the bus stop. Thanks for walking with me. I really appreciate it. No problem at all. It was nice chatting with you. Take care and stay dry. You too. Thanks again for your kindness.
Soup for lunch.
I made some soup for lunch today, but it's still too hot to eat. I'm just letting it cool down a bit.
That sounds good. What kind of soup did you make?
Chicken noodle. I tried a new recipe that adds a bit of ginger for extra flavor.
Ginger sounds like a nice touch. I should try that. How long do you usually let it cool down before eating?
Just a few minutes. It helps the flavor set in too, not just making it a comfortable temperature to eat.
Do you think letting it cool affects the flavor?
I think it does. It seems to bring out the richness of the broth more once. It's not scalding hot.
I'll keep that in mind next time I make soup. Maybe it'll improve my recipes as well.
Definitely give it a try. And if you're not in a rush, letting it sit off the heat for a bit can really enhance everything.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for the tip.
Library help.
Hi, excuse me. I was wondering if you speak English?
Yes, I do. How can I assist you?
Oh, great. I just moved here and I struggle with the local language. I find comfort in speaking English.
That's understandable. Many foreigners have the same issue initially.
Maybe you can help me? I'm looking for the library.
Oh, it's not very far from here. Around the corner on the left. You'll see it immediately.
Thank you so much. I was lost with the signs in the local language. It's challenging for me.
Yes, it can be quite complex for newcomers. But don't worry. You'll get the hang of it eventually. And in the meantime, most locals speak English as well.
Thanks, that's reassuring. I guess I need to work on my language skills.
Time and practice will do the trick. Good luck.
Vacation planning.
Have you decided where? You want to go for vacation this year?
Not yet. We've been trying to narrow down our options. There are just so many places to choose from.
Where are you considering so far?
We've got it narrowed down to 3 places: Italy, Japan, and New Zealand.
Those are all amazing options. How do you plan to make the final decision?
We're looking at our budget and the best time to visit each place. That should help us narrow it down further.
That's smart. Have you checked out the flight prices and accommodation costs for each destination?
Yes, Italy and Japan are pretty close in terms of cost, but New Zealand is a bit more expensive. We're leaning towards Italy since it's the most budget-friendly.
Sounds like you're making progress. Italy would be a fantastic choice with all its history and culture.
Definitely. We're excited to make the final decision soon.